How to delete TikTok account. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, go to Account and then tap on Deactivate or Delete Account. Here, tap on Delete Account Permanently. On this page, select the reason why you want to delete your TikTok account from the suggested options. If you do not want to delete the account permanently, then select I'm leaving temporarily. After that, tap on Continue at the bottom. You can also skip this part if you want. Here, you can request to download your data before deleting your account. If not, then just check the option below as shown and tap on Continue. Tap on Continue again to confirm. Now, verify your identity by entering the code sent to your email over here. After that, tap on Delete Account. You have now successfully deleted your account. Following these steps, you can easily delete TikTok account.